Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded today. First, we'll take a look on the stocks which we planned. So these are all the stocks which we planned for today. There are a couple of DAT trades and there are a couple of HAT trades as well. So we are mostly our trades will be planned according to the demand and supply. Demand and supply is like, finding the pending orders of big institutions on the chart. Normally what we see on the chart, all filled orders, we'll see the price and volume, which are like filled orders. There will be some unfilled orders in the market. We need to be able to find or locate that location, and accordingly, we need to buy or sell. So that is like going along with big players in the market using demand and supply. So what we normally do, we plan all these stocks before the market. When market is shut, right now, if market is dead, closed, now we go scan the stocks and we'll try to find some good levels in the stocks. See, yesterday we planned all these stocks. Today we don't know how many stocks are going to give us entry. Uh, but after market opens, we put alert for all these stocks. We'll see how many of them give us entry and how many has given target and stop loss. So this is how we plan. So out of all this, we didn't get any entry in Zydus Life for Auro Pharma. We got entry in ITC. We got entry in Torrent Pharma. We also got entry in Nifty, what we planned before the market. Now let me quickly show you the charts. This is what I shared on the Telegram this morning, right? So now let us open all these charts one by one. First, I'll open ITC. So ITC is something we plan to enter around 75.40. This is the zone, but we entered 1 rupee above the zone. People who don't know about demand and supply might be just waiting for this level, but we entered 1 rupee above and initial target was just like 1:2. What is 1:2? Risk to reward. If I am risking 1 rupee, I should be getting 2 rupees. So normally here this trade gave more than 1:2 whatever we plan. If someone was trailing with some nice stop loss, they should have definitely made more than 1:6 or 1:7 trade, which means if they are risking 1,000 rupees per trade, definitely they should have made 7,000, 6,000 profit in this just one trade itself. But for beginners, we don't recommend that much because they may don't know how to trail the stop loss properly. So for all the beginners, we recommend just to book profits around 1:1.5 or 1:2. So ITC, we got entry, and the other stock which we got entry was Torrent Pharma. This is a short trade. We plan this on the 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes. See, market was like this. We wanted to go short here. First, we want to sell them there, and then we want to buy below. See, our initial planning was it can come close to yesterday low. It didn't come to the planned target, but if you see, at least it came till this level where we are getting 1:2 trade, which means if you are risking 1,000 rupees, you should be getting 2,000 rupees. Not only one time, it gave multiple times 1:2 trade where you can book the profit and come out of the trade. So these are the two trades, and the other one is in Nifty. Nifty is like a wonderful uh, Nifty has given wonderful trades for us today. So if you remember, this is what we planned yesterday. I said clearly this will become demand zone if the market open above, and below that we need to short, and the target will be this demand area. Just see how perfectly these levels work. In the first candle itself, I asked everyone to enter short with the SL above this. So yesterday itself, I have given this demand area. This is where we need to exit. And see, if you enter call here again, this is the target. From there again, it came below. It didn't stop there. See, if you watched the yesterday video, along with the demand and supply, we also follow the trend lines as well. Isn't this what we draw yesterday? You can go watch the video from yesterday. This is what we put as a trend line. See what happened today. It broke the demand area later. It came exactly to this trend line, and from there it started going up. This is one area where you can again go long. And this is another area above this we wanted to go long, and I even asked many of you to enter a call for 19850 call around 30 rupees, and I asked you to exit around 50 rupees, I believe 4850 rupees. So it is good for new people to always book profit around there. Definitely seniors should have trailed stop loss and they would have made much more profit in Nifty. So it was an excellent trade. There was nothing to give. Many people might be thinking that market is going higher and higher and they're not getting any calls from my end, because this is the only call, whatever I gave you here around 19,850, around 30 rupees. I asked new people to exit around 4850 rupees. Later that even went like close to 160, 170 something, I believe. See, this one trade, it was just giving the profit. All you need to do is just keep trailing. So for new people, again, if it come back, if they lose whatever they are getting, they'll feel bad. So I ask new people to exit. So just trailing one single stock, there was nothing, just that call, whatever we entered, it was keep on going on one side and it was giving like very good profit. So that is it for today, and that is how we traded in Nifty. So for tomorrow, let me show you how we can trade for tomorrow. Let me remove this. Okay. So for tomorrow, if market go and trade above previous high, let me take this. Okay. If market sustain here, we'll go long. We'll try to enter this around this area and we'll look to go long. And if it go below this, we look to go short, and again from this demand area we look to go long. Below this again we look to go short. So this is how we are going to plan for tomorrow. And now let us see how we traded in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty on 5 minutes, this is also exactly how we plan. It was not that difficult to plan any trades today. So sometimes what happened, it will give like very hard time, where we can't even find any trade. So yesterday I said above this we can go long, below this line we can go short, and not to trade anything in this range. This is exactly what we planned yesterday. And today what happened, it came to the supply area first, it faced little bit of resistance and eventually it broke that area. And once it has broken that area, that is where one should have gone long. I didn't give any trade in this Bank Nifty, but if someone followed the levels, should have definitely made some good profit in Bank Nifty. And now let us see how we can trade for tomorrow. Let me go to, okay, if the price go below 45,900, that is where we look to go short. If the price go below this area, we'll look to go short. If the price sustain above previous high, that is where we look to go long. Long here, short here. And maybe if you see any NSU candle and if you see any strong pullback, we'll also look to go long around this area. And below this area, again, we'll look to go short. This should be the plan for tomorrow. We'll see where markets will open tomorrow and we'll take action accordingly. So guys, that is it about Nifty, Bank Nifty and all. Okay, so we wanted to let you know that we are going to start technical course training on the 29th July weekend. So the training is going to be for 4 days, 2 weekends on 29th, 30th and 5th and 6th of August as well. So in these 4 days, we'll be teaching you how you can identify all these levels on your own and how you can plan trades on your own. So we are charging very nominal, just like 5,000 rupees. And if you are wondering what you will be learning with that, along with the demand and supply, you will also learn options adjustments. And don't think like, this demand and supply is useful only to find intraday stocks. You can do wonders with intraday with demand and supply. Let me show you some examples. If you remember, there are a couple of things. See, I posted something on June 26th. If I open this, not only intraday, we also plan weekly income trades. You see the IndusInd Bank, MFSL, Oro Pharma. These all are like, planned on a weekly time frame. Let me also show you some more stocks. I just want to show you how much profits you can make with demand and supply. You see ICICI General Insurance, Colpal, PFC. So all these are like weekly income trades. I'll just show you how much money you can make using all these stocks. So here also we were following the same stocks. Okay, let me show you. I have just shown you the screenshot. Now let me show you just few examples how we can make profits using demand and supply. You should not be in a hurry to make money. First, you need to give some time to understand this properly. Market is not going anywhere. Just give some time, learn some technical analysis, then try to find stocks. Just don't depend on someone to tell you what to buy, what to sell so that you can make profits. As long as you depend on somebody, it's very hard to make profits. It is always good to learn something. If you really want to make money in the stock market, you need to give some time and you need to learn the technical analysis, and you should be able to find all this on your own. So we are going to teach you how to find all these supply zones, demand zones, and how to trade the gaps. You will be learning lot of things in our training. Just see this, look at this example. I have shown this on the screenshot. We plan this trade, right? It's not like I'm just showing you that. I have just shown you we plan this somewhere around these dates, and look at this. Right now it is giving almost 20 rupees. If you are trade, these are not intraday trades, these are positional. Just think if you're trading this in future, the size of Bandhan Bank in future is 2500. How much? 2500. Just think of this, 2500 into 20 rupees. Almost 50k profit in this trade. With this fall, if you keep on trailing, this is what your profits so far in Bandhan Bank. If you're trading in future, and for future it require around 1.5 lakhs, I believe. This is the capital you require. Let's say you are a big trader, you have like 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, something like that. You can enter in multiple stocks. If some one or two stocks give you stop loss, one or two stocks were just there at the buy cost. If a couple of stocks give you like multiple returns like this, that will be like very great income for you. Now let us see IndusInd Bank. See, IndusInd Bank, we plan somewhere here to go long, and see right now it is giving more than 140 150 points profit. And IndusInd Bank lot size is how much? 500. 500 into, if you entered in future, 500 into 140, how much? Almost like 70 to 75k profit in IndusInd Bank. ICICI General Insurance, I'm just showing you only stocks which I have just shown you on the Telegram group. So this is how much we plan exactly to enter around 1307, and right now it is giving like how much? Almost 93 points. And the size of the ICICI General Insurance is again 500. 500 into how much points we are getting? Almost 90. So around 90 points. You'll be getting around 45k. So this is demand and supply is not just used for intraday trades. We can plan nice long trades. So I can keep on going. See how many trades we plan this month and see how many trades are working in our favor. Even if you look at Colpal, the size of Colpal is how much? 350. So 350 into how many points it is giving so far? Almost 175. This is almost like 50 to 60k profit in Colpal as well. All these stocks we planned at the end of June, and all most of these gave entry in the first week of July itself. So like that, there are like so many stocks which you can plan on your own. We'll help you how to find these zones, how you can mark these zones on your own, and how you can plan your entry, exit, and all. So if anybody interested to learn trading in a professional way, even if you learn For these 4 days, we don't encourage anyone to take trades in future. You need to practice this for another 2-3 months just by maintaining 50, 500 or 1000 rupees per risk per trade. Once you get perfect in couple of months, then you can go in futures, not in one lot. Even you can go in multiple lots also. All you need is some knowledge and some confidence. Till then, you need to practice with very small amount, very small stop loss. Thereafter, you can trade however you want. So anybody interested to join this course, please ping me personally, and we will be telling you the details. We'll be starting on 29th. I'm sure this is going to change your trading career. Okay. And coming to the stocks for tomorrow, I'll be posting them on Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll discuss about the levels tomorrow once again.